Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are still in the Olympic mode and the Caribbean continues to bring home more medals. In today's video, we're going to take a look at Lindon Victor from the Spice Island of Grenada, bringing home bronze medal in the Decathlon. Let's take a look.
You told me you were ahead of your points and going to win a medal.
That's what I did.
It was unbelievable. Lindon Victor, decathlete, Olympic bronze medalist. How does it sound and feel?
Sounds so good. I'm just so grateful and so blessed. I know his prayers. I know his prayers. I just know his prayers because of how the whole thing unfolded. Like I just know it's because of God. You would not believe how this unfolded. Like everybody that would have beaten me fouled out in the pole vault. I'm like, I serve an amazing God. I have a praying family. I'm just so grateful to share this moment with my family. They flew all the way from Grenada because they believed that I was going to medal. My mom she couldn't even believe that. She was like, you've done it again. And just hearing these words is just so amazing. And I'm just so grateful to share this moment with all of Grenada and my family.
It's just really hard to believe what you've done in this event, the decathlon.
I know it's amazing because in the Caribbean, like we don't pole vault, we don't hurdle. But you know, I'm just so grateful to God because the Decathlon is the hardest event, and a man from Grenada is an Olympic medalist. So I'm just so thankful.
They call the gold medalist the world's greatest athlete. Well, you, Lindon Victor, are our world's greatest in the Caribbean.
Thank you so much. I just want to say thank you to Grenada for just supporting me all my career. You know, and you guys have supported me just for this day, and I'm happy to deliver. I'm proud to deliver. I'm proud to be Grenadian, and I'm proud to deliver for my country.
Gosh, you went running around the stadium. Who did you go to?
My mom first. My family. They were here, and you don't understand. Watching my mother in the stands, knowing how much she sacrificed for me and my siblings and my family, and for her to witness this moment, for her son to be an Olympic medalist, I think that was enough for me. And the medal is just a cherry on the top.
You are a superb champion. Congratulations, Grenada, and to you and the whole Victor family.
Thank you.
Yes, so that is it. So let's continue to support the Caribbean on a whole. This is one of the first Olympics where we have seen so many different islands taking home medals in the Olympics. So continue to support the Caribbean in this Olympic. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing video. And remember, peace. I'm out.